feed your fam, cause this is a fucking disaster. Yeah, we ain't starving for 1,000 nights. Living like we trying to die tonight. Got 40 sound like dynamite. I was fucking on my car money, selling soap like it's China white. OG said you fucking a block up. I was mad, I was trying to fight. Nigga, we hungry. Mommy at work, daddy he dead. Nigga, we hungry. Stomach growling like an MG, going to bed, we hungry. Uzi on me, all my friends are dead. Nigga, we hungry. Report live from the other side of America.
I always dreamed too of being like on like CNN and being able to express myself.
Yeah, I got layers to me. I got plans, I got goals, I got tricks on my sleeve. I got calls, I got deals, I got people to meet. I got drive, I got soul, I got everything. I got scars, I got heart, I got family to feed. I got people mad, I ain't who they want me to be. I got people I don't know telling me what I need. Yeah, I got loved ones saying that they praying for me. I'm thankful for the prayers, I need more of those. Put my hands together by my head and thank the Lord for everything he's done. Yeah, ain't none of us immortal, so while I'm still alive, I got so much to look forward to. Addicted to the craft, got no time to chat. Just a little something to hold him over for his neck. Even when I gas, I get it correct. Question my work ethic, that's a question you don't ask. Yeah. Don't ever question if I hustle, work a double. Drop a bomb on me, I climb right out the rubble. Not a struggle, tossing me under the bus, so get you muzzled. Pop your bubble, pop. Throw your compliments right out the window. So unique with this, I could flip the script and change the schedule. You still think that it happened how it should've. Keep it subtle, bunch of geniuses. Put their heads together, try to huddle up, but still they sit confused about how I learned to juggle. Ay, toss around some concepts till I pick one. Usually I don't alter my traditions. Foreign to me, hit 'em with the switch up. I just had to get this out my system. Been a handful, even with a mouthful of hand soap. I still say what I want to, getting past no better chance beating Usain Bolt in my sandals. To be candid, that's like putting minivans in NASCAR with a grandma in the driver's seat with her hands up. Show goes on even after the show's over. To get past me, you would have to kill me. Tossing what you want aside for longevity, ain't meant to be. If it causes everything to collapse and affects your heart heavily, what's worth it and what's not? What's certain and which side would the coin flip to and land on? When you get strong, do you stand up or stand down? Even with a man down, I man up, well-rounded, held out for the right outlet. 9 houses couldn't make me feel home, childish. Me left, see the outcome, every ounce of my childhood. Let it roll in, how I wound up with an outlook so crowded, no knowledge. Couldn't see through the piles of my problems, still piled up. Past tense, man, I wish it was, but I've come so far so quickly, in it for the long haul. It's routine, only thing I'm cool with losing is losing sleep. And it's only cool with me if it means I get to watch my dreams come true. If I kept it brief, still you'd think it was a long story. Recording half of the things I think would take 6 years. Prepare, cause the chance that you asked for might show up at your door one night like I'm here, gonna let me in or just stare. It's clear, yeah, 6 ain't enough, that wouldn't come